Adaptive quadrant jump compensation. While feed axis is reversing, the motor experiences a short time lag of actual position due to overcoming load resistance, static friction, making it more prone to quadrant marks. The adaptive quadrant jump compensation function establishes a speed compensation model to provide speed compensation to the servo system during axis reversal, offsetting effects of friction hysteresis and eliminating quadrant marks. This feature is characterized by its adaptive compensation capability and high compensation accuracy, adaptively adjusting quadrant jump compensation for circles of different diameters and varying feed rates. The compensation accuracy of engraving machines can reach approximately 0.1 micrometers. In roundness test under diagnosis menu, users select the corresponding calibration axis, radius, and feed rate to generate test G-code, and the system collects actual machine coordinates and draws a roundness error graph after running the program. Users appropriately adjust the compensation parameters to minimize jump values at each quadrant point. This technology can be applied to engraving machines, vertical machining centers, and 5-axis machining centers to reduce quadrant errors and improve machining quality.